Around 200 teachers of higher education department posted at different government degree colleges in parts of the province draw salaries without taking classes, as they have been posted and on wrong positions, according to documents, full stop. According to official data, and other 679 teachers in government colleges were not meeting the required credit hours, full stop. The department has fixed 2 credit hours per day according to its policy, but these teachers have only 1 credit hour, full stop. The Directorate of Higher Education has notified workload of each teacher, that is 12 credit hours in a week, where relaxation has been made of 3 credit hours for the faculty assigned other duties including coordinator, controller, examiners and chief proctors in the respective colleges, full stop. On the other hand, the rational posting and transfers of has shifted the burden to 808 teachers serving in different colleges, who are forced to attend additional classes in their respective colleges due to shortage of staff, full stop. The data shows that 6 professors in BS 20 posted in different colleges, 33 associate professors in BS 19 and other lecturers are not attending classes, full stop. The teachers, who attend half of their classes include 31 professors, 163 assistant professors in BS 18, full stop. Paragraph. The teachers, who are overburdened and attend additional classes beyond their capacity include 16 professors, associate professors and assistant professors, full stop. Higher Education Secretary Arshad Khan told Dawn that he was working on rationalizing the posting of teachers in government colleges in the larger interest of students, full stop. He said that he had compiled data of the students enrolled in colleges and teachers working there, full stop. A few days back, the secretary said, keeping in view the available data, he turned down the proposal to transfer 2 teachers of a subject to a government college, as 2 teachers were already teaching 88 students there, full stop. He said that no teacher was available for 400 students in a government college, I directed the officials concerned to immediately post at least 3 teachers for those students who have no teacher to teach them, full stop. Pertaining to the rationalization of teachers students ratio, Mr. Khan said that he had started interviewing principals of government colleges on daily basis and was obtaining information about their requirement for teachers and other facilities, full stop.